Your number one goal for yourself should be to live as long and as well as you possibly can. This requires lifelong self discipline with your health habits, and good health is one of the ingredients of overall happiness. Hi my geniuses, I'm Dr. Caroline Pritish. Welcome to my channel Learn with Carol. In today's video, I'm going to talk about personal health habits. Today, most causes of early death that had shortened life in the past have been eliminated in the industrialized world. Diseases such as tuberculosis, polio, malaria, cholera, typhus, and many others have been wiped out through sanitation and modern medicine. The predominant causes of early death today are heart disease, cancer of all kinds, diabetes, traffic death, all of which are subject to your control to a certain extent. You cannot predict or protect under unpredictable circumstances or random accidents, but you can self-discipline yourself to control the controllable in your life. Let's discuss a few important points that you can select at least 4 of them to start with, and trust me, you will surely unlock the key to healthy life. Number 1, eat home-cooked meals. Eating out is one of the biggest sources of unhealthy foods in our diets. Stay home, cook a healthy meal instead. Next, drink a smoothie every day. Here's an easy habit that'll help you get 2 to 3 more servings of fruits and veggies a day. Mix up a healthy smoothie for breakfast every morning or after a workout. And toss in a handful of greens for an extra kick of vitamins and nutrients. You won't even taste them. Carry a water bottle wherever you go. Water helps flush your body of toxins and carries those essential nutrients to your cells. Buy the biggest bottle you can find and aim to drink at least 2 or 3 of them each day. Do body weight exercises like push-ups, squats, pull-ups, lunges actually are one among the best total body exercises for a quick and effective workout. Take fruits to work. Skip the trip to the vending machine. Bring a piece of fruit and nuts as snack instead. Plan your action items for each day. Planning goes a long way toward helping you achieve your goals. Form good habits and live a healthy life. Find an exercise that you enjoy. The best exercise advice I ever got about fitness was this: find something you love doing. Whether it's yoga or boxing or swimming or playing basketball, pick an activity you really like and start doing it several times per week. The next important thing most of us don't know is floss every day. Flossing has number of health benefits one doesn't even know about. It's good for your heart. Smile and laugh whenever possible. Make an effort to smile and laugh more. Choose to be happy now. Stretch during commercials while you're watching TV. Commercials are a great opportunity to get up and move around a bit. Stretch those tight muscles or do some bodyweight exercises like squats or push-ups. And the next thing, use chopsticks to eat slower if you can. Eating mindlessly is one of the most detrimental habits to your health. Grab a pair of chopsticks and you'll eat your food much slower. Exercise with a friend. Working out with a friend is a great idea because he or she will help you hold you accountable and motivate you when you feel like sitting on the couch instead. Call a different person you haven't talked to in a while, at least once a week. One of the most important things you can do to live a healthy life is to keep in touch with people you love. Call a friend or a family member you haven't talked to in a while every week. You'll be glad you did. Mix in whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to your meal. Eating healthy is easier than you think. Here's a simple rule to follow. If it doesn't come from nature, limit how much you eat. Eat more real foods like whole grains, oatmeal, popcorn, etc. Even lean protein like fish, turkey, chicken, and healthy fats like egg, olive oil, nuts, avocados. Take a break every hour at work and do a lap around the office or stretch out. Sitting down all day is terrible for your health, so get up and move. Take a stroll around your office and take regular stretching breaks. Your body will thank you. Bike to work once a week. Now, this may not be reasonable for every one of us, but biking to work just once a week is an amazing way to get some extra exercise. Enjoy the outdoors, live a healthier life. Do housekeeping yourself. Sometimes doing chores may be a bit daunting, but you can burn serious calories doing everyday housework, almost around 225 calories an hour on an average. Park further away. While I'll be the first to admit getting the first spot is one of the greatest joy in life, try making a habit of parking farther away. Those extra steps will surely add up. Do something nice for a total stranger. One of the easiest ways to improve your life and someone else's is to do something nice for a complete stranger. Try it today and see how good it makes you feel. Fill half of your dinner plate with vegetables. Now, this advice is from the USDA, is simple and an easy habit you can implement to live a healthy life. Next thing is pack your lunch. Going out to lunch every day puts a damper on your health and your wallet. So start packing your lunch and save money. Read something uplifting every day. Your attitude and your emotions are important factors in whether or not you experience a life filled with health and happiness. Read something inspiring every day. Eat out selectively. The average restaurant meal has 1,128 calories. That alone should be an incentive to be very selective about how much you go out to eat. Have a weekly meal schedule. Planning your meals go a long way toward developing healthier eating habits. Eat regularly, rather than fasting, starving, or gorging. Eat normal, healthy meals, preferably 4 to 5 times a day, with your last meal fully 3 hours before you go to sleep. Eat lightly. Overeating makes you tired, sluggish, whereas eating lightly makes you feel healthy and alert. As Thomas Jefferson wrote, no one ever regretted eating too little after a meal. Don't stack between meals. When you eat, your body has to break down and digest the food in your stomach so that they can move into your small intestine. Now, this requires 4 to 5 hours. If you put food on top of the food that you've already eaten, the digestive process must start all over again with a part of your food at one stage of digestion and other part of the food at another stage of digestion. Now, this leads to upset stomach, heartburns, drowsiness, especially in the afternoon, eventually constipation as well. Exercise regularly. The most important exercise for long life is aerobic exercise. This requires that you get your heart rate up to a high level for 30 to 60 minutes 3 times per week. You can achieve this through brisk walking, running, cycling, swimming, or even cross-country skiing. Exercise physiologists have determined that exercise effect clicks in at about 25 minutes of vigorous exercise. At this point, your brain releases endorphins that actually gives you a feeling of elation, or what is called the runner's high. This natural drug produced by your body can become addictive in a very positive way. People who develop the habit of regular vigorous exercise find it so easier and easier every single day as they keep doing it. They begin to look forward to the feeling of happiness they enjoy as a result of exercising aerobically. Don't smoke or consume excess alcohol. Now, this is correlated to 32 different illnesses including lung cancer, esophageal cancer, throat cancer, stomach cancer, heart disease, and a variety of other ailments. Proper rest. This is very important. More than 60% of adults do not get enough sleep. They are suffering from what is called a sleep deficit. They go to bed a little bit late, sleep poorly, rise a little bit too early, and go through the day in a form of a fog. This phenomenon of not being sufficiently rested leads to poor performance, more mistakes, industrial accidents, car crashes, short tempers, personality problems, and many other difficulties. If you are living and working a normal life, you require about 8 hours of sleep each night. If you get only 6 or 7 hours of sleep when you actually require 8, you begin to build up this sleep deficit. By Thursday or Friday, when you get up in the morning, the first thing you think is how soon you'd get back to sleep again that night. When you start thinking about going to sleep again the moment that you arise, you know that you are not getting enough sleep. In addition to 8 hours of sleep per night, you need regular breaks from work, both weekends, vacations. When you take time off from work, you allow your mental and emotional batteries to recharge. After a 2 or 3 day weekend, when you go back to work, you're fully rested and ready to perform at your best. Your battery is fully charged. Get rid of sugar. To lose weight permanently and to enjoy high levels of energy and health, you have to eliminate all the simple sugars from your diet. Simple sugars are contained in candies, cakes, pastries, desserts, soft drinks, canned fruits, sugar in your coffee, and all other forms of sugar that people consume in large quantities every day. Fact is that you require no additional sugar to enjoy superb levels of physical health. Simply by eliminating all sugar and sugar products from your life, by going cold turkey on sugar, you will begin to lose as much as 1 pound per day. Pass on the salt. In addition, you should eliminate all additional salt from your diet. Although the average person gets sufficient salt in all the different foods he eats, he consumes an extra 20 pounds of salt every year by eating foods with high salt content, and also by adding additional salt to his meals. When you consume excess salt, Your body retains water in order to hold that salt in suspension. When you stop consuming excess salt and simultaneously drink 8 glasses of water per day, your body will release all the excess fluid and you can actually experience weight drops of as much as 4 or 5 pounds in the first day itself. Key to perfect health can be summarized in 5 words. Eat less and exercise more. The only way that you can lose weight permanently is to burn off more calories than you consume. There is no other way. Moreover, you can do this only over an extended period of time, especially if you have allowed yourself to put on a lot of excess weight. All these are actions that you can choose to take or not take deliberately. They are completely under your control. Proper attitude. Now, this is perhaps the most important of all. The quality that is most predictive of health, happiness, and long life is optimism. As you become more optimistic about yourself and your life, your health will also be better in every area. People who are positive and optimistic usually have a stronger immune system, and as a result, they are seldom sick. They seldom get colds or flu. They bounce back quickly from hard work or fatigue. An optimistic person has a built-in Teflon shield against many of the diseases and ailments that affect the average person. Your goal is to cultivate habits you don't even have to think about. The best time to get started is now. Idealize with regard to your health. If you could wave a magic wand and make your health perfect in every way, how would it be different from today? Resolve to make the rest of your life the best of your life. What is the first thing you should change or you should do? Get a complete medical examination once in 3 months and ask your doctor for an advice of how to enjoy superb levels of physical health. Then follow that advice. Determine your ideal weight and set it as a goal. Use the goal setting process you learn to make a plan to achieve it and keep it there for life. Use mindstorming and write out a list of at least 20 answers to the question, what can I do every day to enjoy superb levels of health and energy? Review the health habits and give yourself a grade ranging from 1 to 10 on how well you are practicing them. Decide on one specific action that you are going to take immediately to ensure that you live to be age 80, 90 and beyond. I will be discussing about the secret to weight loss and its truths in my upcoming video. In fact, that will be my own story of how I lost 35 kgs. We'll be watching more interesting topics in the upcoming videos. Please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get my video alerts. Until we meet in the next awesome talk, I'm Dr. Caroline Pritish with you on Learn with Carol.